Listen to the voice of nature. The voice of nature and naturalness. A unique harmony, a flawless balance, and a grand narrative where all colors are constantly renewed and nourished by the collective creative power. 40 years ago, in a small workshop, a journey began with a passionate spirit that nourished the soul. The vision of three siblings and the windows through which they looked at the world intersected in the inviting symphony of wood. And Baqlar's furniture carried the free spirit of the Mediterranean to more than 70 countries with its designs. On this determined journey, a design culture was built and is now excited to welcome new guests in each collection. Baqlar's adds its production philosophy to the world's design trends, and the story meets new listeners. Baqlar's is rewriting the story of nature and naturalness, following the past and the future.